which is cannot be tolerated by the government, and especially from my side from the government, we request peace always. I request the KHU member and all other organizations and include all the people of the state. Let us maintain peace always. Yes, if there is any issue flux, so the door is open from the government to talk.
KSU has
The demands, we know what it is, so let them come forward, we'll discuss. No issue on that.
So but
And CM, even Mawala SD Health Minister after the cabinet, he be very clear. They are most welcome to come forward. Let's see, maybe in a day or two we will see.
so are you for
Let's see CM is on stations, let him come. So I think all these problems we used to face before, so always we are dealing the right manner always.
Why the government
sir-
have delay to call the KSU to talk about
You
this
see, let us see. The question of delay does not arise, the question is too fast does not arise, so a time will come.
Sir, we have seen that in the border